What is up, everybody? In today's video, we will be trying to hit trick shots. We'll be trying to hit trick shots, and once I hit one trick shot, I'm gonna move on to a harder one. Yeah, let's go.
Come to the couch if you want to go to the
one. So,
Yo,
let's go. Might sound a little weird, but that's because I'm kind of sick. Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Dang it. Okay, we have to retry that. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do. Okay, so let's go. Bro. Look, wait. Oh no, it didn't. But the way I was turned to me, it's like fire. Okay. My 2 jetpacks. Like that. This. And
everyone just go to war.
a plunger.
Go to war in stage 5 because why not?
War in stage 5? Oh no, I'm in stage 5. Whatever. Try.
Come to catch if you want to go to the vent.
Okay, next trick shot. It's not gonna. Do this one. Okay. Get out. Get out. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bro. Terrible aim. Dude. Bro. Fuck. Goodness. Okay. Let's try one more time. I don't hit that one bad. Okay. What? Oh. My aim is terrible. Fuck. Goodness. My aim is genuinely terrible. Dude. Get out. Yo. I swear to... Get out. I hate you. This sucks. This is so hard. This is like impossible.
You wanna go JKID for money giveaway?
Well, JKID? Okay, hold on. Cut this part out of the video. Okay, to give away. Just joking. I'm not doing this. Bro, I swear. It's like impossible. Okay. Oh, it's not exploding because it has to be. Oh, I see why. That's bad. Where's the plunger? Where'd the plunger go? Wait, did it stick to somewhere? Oh, I landed. Okay, we're on trick shot 2. What game?
Jonica 345, you wanna play?
And teleport.
Join the hood, mommy, if you wanna defeat mama. Whoa.
Bro.
Join the hood, mommy, for... Where's that code? Hey, no, mom.
Who dropped the code?
Where's that code, man?
What? Bro, I swear to God, this chicks was like impossible. Yo, wait, that's stuck. Okay, that's stuck. Wait, it didn't count. Even though it's stuck onto it, it doesn't count. I have it. You know what? No. I have to land these. And then...
To be in a movie. Added the purple otter to be in a movie. I have 1,900 subs. Added the purple otter to be in a movie.
Okay, I gotta shoot that.
Go to couch if you're gonna be in a movie. Go to couch if you're gonna be in a movie. I have 1,000.
Shot it and none of them stuck. Okay, this is like a
Go to couch if you're gonna be in a movie.
like and subscribe to see a part 2. Let's go.